And what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this menu, and I'm going to delete this button. And once again, we're going to have reasons behind everything. This is what we have as the header. I'm going to hit save here. And first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a logo for my header. So the way I do this is essentially my logo. I can hit here settings, and I can click image logo, and I can actually add a image logo. So really quick, I'm going to pause my screen. I'm going to have my logo created, and I'll be right back. Okay, so behind the scenes, I just had my logo created. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to my add folder, and I'm going to type this brand images, right? So I'm creating a new folder, and this is where I'm going to put things like logos, maybe even some other type of branding type stuff that really doesn't come to mind at the moment, but my logo is going to fit there for sure. So I'm dragging and dropping my logo there. The logo is going to be uploaded in about a second. There we go, and I'm going to hit select. And there we go, my logo fits right there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm slimming out the header. I definitely don't want it to be this big, and that's a decent size for my header. I can also make the logo a little bit smaller, so something like this is perfectly fine. Doesn't have to be too big. And I'm going to make everything in this banner a little bit smaller in just a minute. However, I'm going to go ahead, click save here, and now I have a logo. Now, once I've created my logo, it's time to actually think about what my content is going to be, because before I can create my homepage truly and create my sales page, right, which is this page right here, before I can go too deep into this, I need to actually upload my content. So here is my course content page, and it's good that I have my header showing in my course content page, because just in case if somebody needs to contact me or anything like that, they can easily do that, which we will add that information here in the header menu soon. But first thing we're going to focus on is our actual content. So what I'm going to do is I'm personally going to pull my content from a YouTube channel that I have here that is pretty much brand new, where I have some fitness videos uploaded. In fact, I have a lot of them. I have a lot of fitness videos here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a few of them to give you guys an example of how to set this up. Okay? So I'm going to take, for example, a video like this. I'm click get the shareable link. And by the way, you do not have to use YouTube. I simply am, but you do not have to. You can use Vimeo. You can use any kind of site you want to pull your videos from if you want to use video. You know, if you create your own video, then you can put them to YouTube and then put them here. It just depends on how you want to do it. And all you have to do is paste the video source link here. So I'm going to paste my video source link here, and I'm going to remove the current thumbnail. So notice this is the exact video that I once had, okay, that I just selected. And I'm going to title this page, right? I'm going to title this body weight, or I'm going to section body weight exercises, okay? And let me go ahead and actually and now that I go ahead and I give this the title, I'm going to click save. I'm going to go over here to global styling. I want to edit my fonts very quickly. Hit add fonts, and I'm going to go with the Oswald font right here, and I'm going to go with Oswald 500, hit confirm, and then what I'm going to do is refresh the page, and I'm going to go over to global styling again, text styling, heading 1 will be Oswald, heading 2 will be Oswald, heading 3 will be Oswald for me, heading 4 will be Oswald, and once again, this is just the font that I personally like for my website. I feel like it's a little bit more professional. And there we go. I'm going to hit confirm. So now that that's confirmed, you can see here the font on my video page changed, all right, which is perfectly fine. And this page, because this is starting off with the bodyweight exercises, this is course content page. And notice how we created a course content folder earlier. So what we're going to do is we're going to move this page to the correct folder. So I'm going to click on the settings here, and I'm going to hit show settings. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on choose page group or add page group, and I'm going to select the course content page group and hit save. Okay, so once I do that, notice I have a pages section, which should be for all my public pages. And then here I have a section for my hidden membership area pages or my course pages that I don't want to give to the common people, the access, right? I want to give only access to people who paid for it. So here I have my course content, and this is the course content page, or the first one of its kind. And since I have here a section which serves as a menu, I'm going to change the category title, and I'm going to call the category title here body weight, right? Exercises. Let me go ahead and type that in there. Exercises, body weight, exercises. All right. And I'm going to hit save. And what we're going to do here is this is the diamond push-up. And I'm going to see in my video list, do I have any more? So body weight, we have diamond push-ups. Maybe we don't have that much more. But first thing I'm going to do actually is I'm going to take all my videos and I'm going to set them to a visibility unlisted. So I'm going to unlist them and I'm going to hit update videos. It will go ahead and take its time to do that, and it should hopefully leave the draft. But anyways, here's another example of a body weight exercise. This is an ab wipers video, right? So I'm going to take this, I'm going to select the visibility. No, it's not made for kids, unlist, hit save. And once again, this is just my personal video. You can grab yours wherever you decide to create your own video content. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to click here and I'm going to actually grab the link, right? So the link is right here. And now I'm going to go back to my course page and I'm going to add another video. So